Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be comparing two products, that is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm and the Plum E-Luminescence Simple Supple Cleansing Balm, and we're going to be checking if this is the dupe of this and which one actually performs better. So stick around till the end of the video to know which one would be my pick. So we're going to be talking about the price, we're going to be talking about the ingredients and the performance, and without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first product that I have here is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and this is the mini version. There are two versions, one is of 30 ml and the other one is of 125 ml version, or the full size of this product. It is for 125 ml, which retails for 3,200. This one is the 30 ml version and this retails for 890 rupees. Now when we compare it with the Plum, this is a 90 ml product and this retails for 545 rupees, and this is the only size that the brand has launched. Now when we are talking about the price, let me tell you one thing, that this brand never goes on sale. You can see that the price is always the same, so there are very less chances that you would be able to get any kind of sale or discount on this, whereas Plum always has some or the other sale going on wherein you can get either up to 10 or up to 20% off, so you would be again saving a bit more money on this than that one. When we compare the packaging looks pretty sturdy and very travel friendly with the Clinique. When you open it up, it has a plastic lid here. This is the plastic film that it has, and then there's the balm. Now when we are talking about the Plum, this is how the packaging looks. Again, the packaging is pretty travel friendly. It is a plastic bottle, and once you open this, you will be able to see that it has a plastic film attached to it, and then there's the product. So both of the companies have done good in terms of packaging. Now let's talk about the company's policies, or what the company works around. So when we are talking about Clinique, it is not a vegan or a cruelty-free brand. So if you do not already know, Clinique is owned by Estee Lauder. Some of their products contains animal byproducts, and also if the country law states that they need to do an animal testing, they do go for it. So they are not a cruelty-free or vegan brand. Now when we talk about Plum is a vegan and a cruelty-free brand. It is an Indian skincare brand. Now both of the products state that they do not have any parabens or phthalates, but the only difference here is that this product does not contain any fragrance. So if that is a deal breaker for you, then definitely this one is the one that you should go for. However, this one does contain some fragrance. It doesn't smell very overpowering, or doesn't have a strong smell. In fact, it smells like one of those Miniso perfumes that we used to get. Like once you enter the Miniso store, it smells like that. I know it's weird to explain, but yeah. So now let's talk about the ingredients. Clinique contains, let me read the ingredients out for you. It is ethyl hexyl palmitate, and then safflower seed oil, and then it has capric, triglyceride, sorbate 30, tetraolate, and polyethylene, peg 5 glyceryl triacetate, and water, and tocopherol, phenoxyethanol. Now Plum has way more ingredients than Clinique, so let's go through the ingredients real quick. So it has ethyl hexyl palmitate, it has cetearyl alcohol, it has polysorbate 60, sunflower seed oil, peg 20 glyceryl triacetate, aqua, that is water, rice bran wax, and it has carnauba wax, peg 40 hydrogenated castor oil, hydrogenated soybean oil, hydrogenated soy polyglycerides, C15, 23 alkanes, glyceryl monostearate, silica, ethylene, synthetic wax, tocopherol acetate, then kokum seed butter, cocoa glucoside, pentarethral, tetradi-T-butyl, hydroxyhydrocinamate, and then it has argan oil, phenoxyethanol, ethyl hexyl glycerin, and some fragrance. So that were a lot of ingredients on this. Now let's talk about the ingredients that we are going to consider, and that is something that we need to know about. Most of them are something that is used for the formulation, but let's talk about the ingredients that are actually going to benefit our skin. Ethyl hexyl palmitoate helps to keep the skin moist and supple by actually forming a protective layer, because of which the skin doesn't lose a lot of water. So it helps in reduction of water loss from the outer layer of the skin. And the same ingredient is on the first on plum as well. So basically plum also has the same ingredient listed first. Now Clinique contains safflower seed oil, and safflower seed oil is very rich in vitamin E. It contains omega-6 fatty acid, and it also works to reduce skin inflammation, and is also anti-aging. Whereas plum actually contains sunflower seed oil, and sunflower seed oil has vitamin E, vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin D, which makes it very effective in the treatment of acne, and is also anti-aging. It would suit mostly dry and sensitive skin types. Since both of the products have vitamin E. Vitamin E is an antioxidant, and it is really good for your skin. That was all the ingredients that were necessary for us to know in Clinique. That plum, as I told you, has a lot of ingredients, and we have covered ethyl hexyl palmitoate and sunflower seed oil and tocopherol, that is vitamin E. Let's go through the other ingredients that plum has. It has cetearyl alcohol. I have talked about this in my first ever video, so you can go check it out. But just to give you a gist, cetearyl alcohol is a fatty alcohol, so it is not like the usual alcohols that are added in skincare products, which really dry out your skin. And it also has kokum butter. So kokum butter is highly moisturizing, and it helps to heal dry and cracked skin. It also helps in improving the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Plum cleansing balm also contains argan oil, and argan oil has anti-sebum effect, and it can also help to treat several different types of acne and promote a soother and calmer complexion. So if you're somebody who is suffering from acne, and if you are wondering which of the products you should go for, I would recommend the plum, because it has definitely those ingredients which are going to be helpful for your skin type. It has a very solid texture, and it's very solidified, but as soon as you put it on your skin, it melts into an oil form, and then it is able to get rid of your makeup really well. Let's talk about the texture for plum. Plum, it smells really good. So this is a more like a, this is also a solidified cleansing balm, but this feels more like when you've kept the coconut oil in a bottle or a jar, and during winters it gets solidified. So it is solid, however it's not like very solid, like it's not too hard, and as soon as you touch it, it starts melting. It's like that. This is more solid, however this is exactly how the coconut oil would look or feel when it's solidified. So again, taking a little bit of this on my hand, and I'm going to show it here. So as soon as you put it on your skin and start massaging, it also again turns into an oil, and it also does a great job in removing makeup. So I'm going to be using the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm on the right hand side of my face. So for you it will be the left hand side, but yeah, right hand side of my face, and I'm going to be using the plum one on the left hand side of my face. So I have washed my face, and let's check. So both of the balms have done a great job at taking off my makeup. As you can see, there's no residue of makeup at all. Now when I'm actually trying to check, this one feels more soft and supple. This side of my face feels more soft and supple than this one. This one feels it's not extremely dry, but compared to this, definitely this feels more dry. This feels more soft, and I can still feel that it is a little hydrated than this one. So definitely the final verdict, or the winner of this comparison is definitely the Plum E-Luminescence. So if you have any doubts, just go for this. So my pick would be the Plum E-Luminescence because it does an equally great job, and if you are getting something at half of the price, and if it has products that are really great for people with sensitive skin types, dry skin types, and for people with acne, then that's a great deal. So you should go for this and you can skip on the Clinique. That's all that I had for you today, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below and let me know what other videos you would like to watch. So that's all, and until the next